Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about count function. In fact we have many count functions. So today I want to focus on these three functions. Count. With this one we just can count the numeric values. Count blank, it's obvious from its name, we count the blanks. And counter, we can count string. So I'm going to apply these three in action. Shift. So this is numeric value. I just come here and type and use the count function. I just write equal sign, count, and tab. So now instead of selecting the whole value, we have studied about the name ranges. I have applied name ranges here. I just type the name of the name ranges, and if we forget the name ranges, we just click on F3. Yes, you can see now I have my name ranges here. I select the ship date. Yes, the ship date, and close the bracket and enter. I have 1036 shipped orders. So for missing priorities, I apply count blank. So it's also I do the same. I just write here equal sign and count blank. Now I select the range, order, priority. O or D, order priority. I select this, tab, and enter. I have missed two. I want to find that. I just come here. Yes, one is here and one is here at almost the bottom. Yep. So the next one, you can see these are the number and also basically these are the text. Here these are general, and when I click here is the date, it's the number. So I want to just apply count. Let's see if it worked or not. I just click here equal sign and I write here count, and I choose the order number called order number, tab, and enter. You can see obviously it doesn't work, so I want to change my function. I just come here, I just enter a, it's counter, tab. Yep, it works magically. So I want to repeat this. I want to delete this one. I just repeat this. Equal counter, tab. Now I want to select this. I don't want to use my name range. Select all of these and enter. You can see it works magically. That's it about count blank, and count. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.